your desk and your computer. Angela, come on up. Angela, you're pretty good today. Got a 70. Want to say hello to somebody?
Yes, my mom and dad, Willie and Jesse Dixon in Mobile, Alabama, and the guy in Mobile who made me this cool shirt.
Okay, thank you very much. Owner's on a nice truck, playing hole in one, and she's going to get a 90 on the way to the showcase.
That's classic, right? You know that, right?
What day she's having? On a truck playing hole in one, that's not a way to the showcase. Showcase is the next verse. Don't go away.
Chloe, what was that? Were you watching TV right now? Chloe girl?